Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Ps3 is on the local network, and you can access router settings. This avoids chasing phantom problems. Next, write down your current router IP and the ISP DNS entries for reference. Then get alternate public DNS addresses. Google and OpenDNS are reliable choices, and have a phone or laptop ready to test connectivity. Once done, power cycle the Ps3 and router so you begin from a clean state, which removes transient network caching and gives you an accurate baseline. Now change the Ps3 settings. Navigate to Internet connection settings and pick Custom to control DNS without altering other parameters. If you used DHCP, leave IP automatic. If you relied on a static IP, enter it exactly. When you reach DNS, switch to manual and type the primary and secondary DNS you gathered earlier, then save those values. After saving, run the Ps3 network test. Pay attention to DNS resolution and NAT type results, so you can tell whether the console truly reaches name servers. Finish by running the full connection test and signing into PlayStation Network to confirm everything resolves properly. If the DNS error persists, swap to a different public DNS pair and reboot both router and Ps3 to clear caches. Make sure to also power cycle the modem if you have one. If problems continue, check another device on your LAN. If that device also fails DNS, the issue is network side and not the Ps3. One key tip: resetting router DNS cache or updating router firmware often resolves stubborn resolution failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.